Hi viewers. Today our topic is about my daily routine. So in this topic we will be able to just present and we just will be able to say something in our daily routines in three like tenses as a present, past and future tense. So let me start it. So the first question is that what do you do daily? So in order to answer this question, this table will help you to just prepare this answer, and this one is very short answer. You can stick this one by your own efforts, and you can just stick this one by your needs, which for example. So there are the time, activity and description is also presented here. You just have to look at here and make your own daily routines in present tense. For example, like morning time, afternoon time, then evening and then night time. So instead of I get up early, you should say that I wake up early, and then you can say that after waking, I just put first glance at my mobile LCD mobile screen to just watch or to just know about the time, that what's time going on. Then as the religions matters are here, worships and then exercise and then breakfast, then work, lunch and then relaxations. So these all should be included in your daily routine works from dawn to dusk. So this one is like in present. So now come to the past. For example, if someone just asked the question, what did you do yesterday? So instead of going the things to merging and mingling these all be a burdenized, so you should go for the very concise type of that like activities. We can say this one is the uh, past activity. So by using these all tools, by using these all headings, you will be able to just like say something regarding your past. We can say that what did you do yesterday? This is also the questions. We can say what is your most dangerous, what is your most happiest event or incidents in your life. So we can just explain by using these type of things, by using the only the simple past tense, by using second form, by using was were, by using had. We can say that was were and had as a linking verb we can use to just explain the things which happened us like in our past. And then come to the point. So if someone just asks the question, what will you do tomorrow? So the answer will be in the form of future tense. So this one is the future tense. Same headings, same tools are here to make you easy to understand the things and to explain your own mindsets here about the tomorrow activities. So like we'll wake up, then exercise, I will go, I will, we by using will or shall, we can say this will be the description of future tense in this like way. So we can say someone just ask about our intentions, ask about our aims, objectives, mindsets. So these all are the questions. So by using future tense, you will explain these all very well, and this will be very effective if you use it properly. And we use with the use of proper structures and like a proper use of words, choice of words, we will be able to describe and explain all the things in future tense. So in conclusion, we can say that these tables describe your daily routine in three different tenses: past, future, and like present. So thank you so much for watching. And if you have any problems, any difficulties to prepare these old tasks, you can email me and I will reply you soon, inshallah.